Hi, my name is Isabella Blanchett, but I go by Bella. I do apologize for my voice right now. I've actually been sick for the past week, and I've been hoping my voice would come back so I could do this, but it's still not back, so we're just gonna have to roll with it. So I do apologize if you have a hard time understanding what I'm saying. But again, my name is Bella. I'm from Massachusetts, so the northern part of Massachusetts. And I currently work as a residential caseworker at a group home. So I work with adolescent girls from ages 11 to 18, and it's almost like kind of like role modeling like appropriate behaviors, teaching them how to utilize coping skills. At the program we used was called DBT, or dialectical behavior therapy. So kind of teaching the clients how to utilize something like mindfulness in appropriate moments to try to get them through with them. But I absolutely love what I do. I've been there about a year, and I did an internship there last year, and then I loved it so much I decided to go back. As for what I enjoyed most about my past courses is learning stuff that I'm able to apply to the work I do now. So one of the first courses I took taught us how to communicate effectively with each other. And so I was able to actually use that on two of the clients that I worked with the other day, where the two of them were just bickering with each other, wouldn't stop and listen to what the other one had to say. So I was able to sit them both down, have them repeat back what the other was trying to say. And it actually worked. Like, they were able to sit down and kind of like understand where the other one was coming from, which was surprising because typically they'd say the idea was stupid and whatnot, but it worked, and I was so happy to be able to utilize that. I like being able to learn things and then apply them. I'm not a big fan of classes where I learn something and I know I'm never going to use it again. So like the majority of like my math classes, like calculus, I guarantee I will never use again. I'm most excited to just be able to learn things I'm able to apply in this class, to be able to like learn more about the people I'm in the classes with and just see where we can go from here. So I'm excited to be in the class. Again, I'm sorry for how my voice sounds, but hopefully you're able to understand. Thank you.